Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make a checkbox highlight a row in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. So first, let's add the checkboxes in column F. Select the cells, go to the Insert tab, click Checkbox, and the checkboxes are added to all cells. If necessary, you can change the color of the checkboxes. Great, and now in order to highlight a row using the checkbox, we do the following. Select the data range, go to the Format tab, click Conditional Formatting, and the tab on the right opens. We need the Format Cells if drop-down list, click on it and select Custom Formula Is. In the Value of Formula field, enter this formula, F2 is equal to true, and don't forget the $sign before F. We check how the formula works. As you can see, when selecting a checkbox, the entire row is filled with green, which is what we need. If we need the entire row to be filled to the end, we need to expand the range here. Click Select Data Range and increase the range of cells. Please know that we are highlighting only those rows that have checkboxes. The range is highlighted, click OK. Now the fill extends to the end of the table. Additionally, we can change the style of the text inside the cells, the color of the text inside the cells, and of course the color of the field itself. Thus, we change the appearance of the rows with the selected checkbox. Click Done and all the changes will be applied. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.